You've seen them, right? The flashy ads online, the promises of a laptop lifestyle where you can divorce the boss and just make a fortune while you travel. But what if I told you that the whole idea of passive income, at least the way they sell it, is kind of a myth? Today, we're going to peel back the curtain on one of these systems to find out what's really going on. We're going to break down the business model, the actual skills you need, and figure out if this is a real path to freedom or just another shiny object. Let's dive in.
So let's just get right to it, the big one, passive income. It's the ultimate dream, isn't it? Making money in your sleep. But I'm going to be super direct with you here. For 99% of people, the way it's sold as some kind of push-button, instant moneymaker, it's a lie. It's a marketing angle that taps right into our desire for an easy way out. But, and this is a big but, that doesn't mean a real opportunity isn't hiding in plain sight. It's just not what you think.
And this is where it gets interesting, because when you strip away all that passive income hype, you find something real, something powerful. There's a legitimate, honest-to-goodness business model under there that can totally change your financial situation. No, it's not a get-rich-quick button, but for anyone who's willing to learn and actually apply some specific skills, it is an absolute game changer.
So, to get to that truth, here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the big promise they make. Then, we'll reveal what this thing really is. After that, we'll dive into the business model, talk about the crucial idea of leverage, figure out who this is actually for, and then we land at your decision point.
Okay, let's start right where everybody gets sucked in. That big, juicy promise that's almost impossible to scroll past.
I mean, come on, that's the dream, right? No more alarm clocks, no more traffic, no one looking over your shoulder, just you, a laptop, and some automated system that just works, bringing in cash. It's a really powerful picture they paint, and it's no surprise that so many people are drawn to it. But as we're about to find out, the reality is a little more involved.
All right, time to pull back the curtain. Let's move past all the marketing fluff and look at the engine that's actually running this whole operation.
Now this slide, this is where it all starts to make sense. On the one hand, you have the marketing story, a hands-off, maybe AI-powered money machine. But the reality? It's actually something way more valuable. This is an opportunity to learn a high-income skill. We're talking digital marketing and sales automation, and then use business leverage to scale up your results. See the difference? It's not a magic tool. It's a skill set you learn and then apply.
So what is this business model at its core? It's called a high-ticket coaching funnel. In plain English, it's a really smart, automated process that's built to find potential clients and sell them high-value programs, stuff that can cost thousands of dollars. That word funnel is everything. It's the automated system that does the talking and selling for you, which saves you an incredible amount of time.
And what does that look like day to day? Well, it's not just one thing, it's a whole ecosystem. You might start with something like a paid strategy call to make sure you're only talking to serious people. From there, your automated system can offer them a bigger coaching program, maybe recommend some specialized webinars, or even promote other valuable tools as an affiliate. It's a complete business with a bunch of different ways to generate income, all working together.
And hey, if you need any more proof that this isn't some magic trick, here you go. This is right from their official page. The disclaimer is crystal clear. This is not for someone starting from zero hoping to get lucky. It's a professional system designed to help people who are already in business and already serious scale up. That tells you two things. One, it takes real commitment, and two, it's a powerful tool for growth, not a lottery ticket.
Okay, so we've established it's a real business model. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does it actually help you get more leads and turn them into paying clients without you having to work 24/7?
This right here, this is the real value. It's not get rich. It's about using a proven system to scale a real business and do it fast. You can almost think of it like a franchise blueprint for the online world. You're not trying to invent a new hamburger. You're using a recipe that's already been tested, tweaked, and proven to work through some seriously efficient automation.
And here's that blueprint in 4 simple steps. Step 1, you grab attention using ads or social media. Step 2, you guide those people into your automated funnel, which does the heavy lifting of presenting what you have to offer. And this is the key. Step 3, the system does the selling for you. It handles the follow-ups, the closing process, all automatically. And then, step 4, you get paid. That automation is what buys you back your time and lets the business grow without you being the bottleneck.
Now let's talk about the secret sauce that makes this all so powerful. It's a concept called leverage. And honestly, this is what separates the people who are always grinding from the ones who are building real scalable income. And trust me, it's not magic.
Just look at this chart for a second. This says it all.
Imagine the work and the stress it takes to get 1,000 people to buy something to make 5 grand. 1,000 sales. Now imagine making just 1 sale and earning the exact same amount. That is the massive power of going high ticket. It's not about working more, it's about making your work count for more.
And that is leverage. It's the art of getting a huge result from a smart amount of effort. It's about building assets like an automated funnel or a great piece of content that keep working for you long after you've finished the initial work. You are literally building a machine that saves you time and money for years to come.
So what does this actually feel like in the real world? It means you build one sales funnel and it's out there generating leads for you around the clock, even when you're sleeping or on vacation. It means you create one good video or article and it can bring you new clients for months, maybe even years. And it means one good sales day can be worth more than a whole month at a traditional job. That is leverage in action.
So, after hearing all that, it's probably pretty obvious that this isn't for everyone. So let's be really clear about who can actually win with a model like this and who, honestly, should probably look elsewhere.
I think this table is a great gut check. Be honest with yourself. This is for you if you are just done trading your time for a paycheck, if you're excited to learn a real valuable digital skill, and if you can follow a proven plan. But if you're looking for instant, guaranteed money, if you're scared to invest in your own skills, or if you're just not going to take action, then this is absolutely not for you. And that's okay.
And that brings us right here to the end of our analysis. We've gone from the marketing hype to the real-world mechanics. We've talked about the business model, the power of leverage, and who it's for. Now, it all comes down to a decision for you.
So, let's just break it down one last time super simple. It is not magic. It is not instant. And it is not guaranteed. But it is a real proven business model. It is built to be scalable. And for the right person who's willing to do the work, it can absolutely 100% change your income and your life.
So really, it all boils down to this, doesn't it? You have 2 choices. You can keep doing what you're doing, staying in that same loop, trading hours for dollars, or you can take one step forward and start learning how to build something real, something with leverage. It's your call, but that one decision can change everything.
And here's the thing you got to remember. The online world moves fast, really fast. The people who get in on these big shifts early, the people who saw the potential and acted, are the ones who get the biggest rewards. This move towards high-ticket automation is one of those shifts happening right now. The only question is, are you going to be one of the people who grabs the opportunity, or someone who looks back in a few years and wonders, what if? Look, you now have a clear, no-fluff understanding of what this is all about. The next logical step isn't to guess or wonder anymore. It's to see the system in action for yourself. To really get how this automation saves you time and gets you better leads, you've got to look under the hood. So click the link right below this explainer. It's going to take you to a detailed walkthrough of the whole process. See exactly how it works before this window of opportunity starts to close. Do it now.